Hello students, in last session we discussed the concept of demand and individual and market demand. In this session we are going to discuss types of demand. Types of demand. There are 5 types of demand: direct demand, indirect demand, complementary or joint demand, composite demand and competitive demand. The first type of demand is direct demand. Demand is said to be direct if a good is purchased by the consumer for his or her direct satisfaction. So, when a commodity satisfies the want of a consumer directly, it is said to have direct demand. It is a demand by the consumer for goods to satisfy their wants directly. It serves direct consumption needs of the consumer. Demand for consumer goods like food, clothes, books, car, television, refrigerator, bicycle, etc. is said to have direct demand. The second type of demand is indirect demand. Indirect demand is also known as derived demand. The demand for a commodity is said to be derived when it satisfies the want indirectly. It refers to a demand for goods needed for further consumption. Demand for producer's goods is indirect demand. Producer goods means those goods which are used for further production process. So, all factors of production have indirect demand. For example, land, labor, capital, raw material, machineries, etc. Derived demand comes from producers or firms. Derived demand depends on demand for final goods and services. For example, when demand for cotton shirt will increase, then demand for raw cotton increases. Next type of demand is complementary or joint demand. When two or more goods are demanded jointly to satisfy a single want, it is known as joint demand. In case of complementary or joint demand, a rise in demand for one product will lead to a rise in demand for other product, or a fall in demand for one product will lead to a fall in demand for other product. In case of joint demand, an increase in price of one good will reduce the demand for its joint product. It means a rise in price of petrol will reduce the demand for car. So, demand curve has negative slope. So, car and petrol, tea and sugar, pen and ink, these goods have joint demand or complementary demand. Composite demand. When one commodity can be put to several uses or multiple uses, it is known to have composite demand. For example, steel, electricity, coal, sugar, etc. For example, steel is useful in manufacturing car, in manufacturing machines and in manufacturing home appliances also. In case of these composite commodities, a change in demand for one use will affect the supply in other use. So, in case of composite demand, an increase in the price of product will reduce its demand for different uses. Electricity, coal will be put to only important uses when its price rises. The demand for composite commodities is elastic. Competitive demand is also known as cross demand. It is demand for those goods which are substitute for each other. Substitute goods are those goods which can be used in place of other goods with equal ease. These goods compete to satisfy the same want. For example, tea and coffee, Pepsi and Coke, petrol and diesel, etc. So rise in demand for one product will lead to a fall in the demand for other. So the cross elasticity of demand is positive, means when the price of one commodity rises, the demand for the substitute commodity rises. When price of tea rises, the demand for coffee increases. So demand curve has a positive slope. So here we discuss various types of demand. I hope you understand the types. Now complete the exercise. Thank you.